Cooper Surfside Roofing here, getting ready to do the shingle repairability test. I'm going to remove one shingle and then I'm going to put it back to determine the repairability of the shingles. I am going to do this shingle right here. So I'll need to manipulate this one and this one. I'm going to remove this shingle and put it back in. That is for, again, a repairability test. It's not a permanent fixture for the roof. This is for testing purposes. I am on this roof by myself. Please bear with me. It's difficult to capture evidence on a steep roof like this. I've got my hammer, I've got my pry bar, and I've got some nails. Pretty much all we need for repair like this. Set you up on my hammer and get to it. We've got a tear already. Sorry, it's a little windy up here. Just blew my phone over. Tear here on this shingle that's getting removed. All right, tar seals, I'm pretty much unsealed for those two. Last one of this, that is getting torn on the end of that shingle there. Starting to tear there. Another tear. Another tear. Tore again. Okay. So again, this is the shingle that I'm removing. We had a tear here, we had a tear here, and we've got tears all over. This one just about tore over here. You can see it's super brittle right there. All right, so it's time to get this thing out. That just ripped. As I'm going through this, the company does conduct an assessment. Wow, that just shredded, trying to just find the nail. I do perform a assessment on this kind of repair between 1 to 6 of repairability. 1 to 2 mean the roof is repairable. 3 to 4 means the homeowner's decision is going to be adequate on what is repairable or not. And 5 to 6 means the roof just is not repairable. I do quite a few repairs every month. if the roof is repairable, then we'd like to repair it. Nail's not gonna come out. All right, so the first row of fasteners are off. I have to get the second row of fasteners off. Shingle, wow, my pry bar just ripped that shingle. Trying to get this nail. Oh my. And that tore. Wow. That was one difficult nail to get out. Don't know if you could see that. That thing did not want to come out. This other one doesn't really want to come out either. Shingle is just getting shredded. My goodness. This is bizarre. I don't think I've ever had a nail this difficult to get out of a roof. The nails are like deforming as I'm prying it. Hold on, guys, I gotta take this call. All right, got that, but guys, I'm looking at this roof and I don't think there's really a purpose to continue this assessment of the repairability. I think the evidence is relatively present that this roof is not gonna be repairable. I'm still trying to get nails out. I mean, you can see even the nails themselves aren't trying to come out. That shingle's all ripped there. Shingle's all ripped there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 failure points. And I've only pulled out like 7 fasteners. So this is gonna get halted and tarped so we can have this roof section properly sealed.